Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson, Nexo.
Great. I am ready to write.
Today we review technology words and why questions by using them actively in writing. First, we will do listen and write, a short dictation where you write what you hear. Second, we will do make a sentence, where you build simple sentences with useful words.
I like writing short sentences.
Good. Now we begin with listen and write. Listen and write. This activity is a dictation. I will read a short text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay. I will listen and write carefully.
Listen to the whole text means you first hear all the text once to understand the idea. Write what you hear means you write the words during the dictation. Check and correct means you compare your writing with the original text and fix mistakes.
I will listen first and write after that.
Excellent. Listen to the full dictation now. Emma and Nexo are studying together. Why is the computer on the desk? Because Emma needs the large screen to do her homework. Nexo does not use his phone because he wants to concentrate. Why do they wear headphones? Because they are listening to an English lesson. You heard the whole text once, and now I will read it slowly in small parts. Are you ready, Nexo?
Yes, I am ready.
Good. Let's start the dictation now. Emma and Nexo are studying together. Why is the computer on the desk? Because Emma needs the large screen. To do her homework. Nexo does not use his phone. Because he wants to concentrate. Why do they wear headphones? Because they are listening. To an English lesson. Well done, everyone. How was it, Nexo?
It was good, but I need to check some words.
Now you can compare your writing with the original text and correct your mistakes. Make a sentence. Now we will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use the 20 helper words if you want, and try to use why questions when they fit.
I can make simple sentences with technology words.
See an example means we will listen to Nexo do the exercise first. Make your sentences means you create your own sentences with the main words and helper words. Are you ready to try, Nexo?
Yes, I am ready. Computer. Why is the computer on my desk? Phone. I do not use my phone in class. Tablet. Why does she need a tablet? Keyboard. The keyboard is black. Why is the screen small? Headphones. They use headphones because the room is noisy.
Nice work, Nexo.
Thank you, Emma.
Now it is your turn, so pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You wrote your sentences and practiced why questions.
Writing is easier now.
Excellent work today. See you in the next lesson.